Hi, I am Muhammad Taman and welcome to Hands-on Java 10 Programming with JShell course by Pact Publishing. I am the author and I'm going to deliver all the modules of this course. A little bit about me. I work as a senior enterprise architect and senior software engineer for a company called WebCentric based in Belgrade, Serbia. I have around 20 plus years experience in Java industry and its ecosystem and technologies. But my main experience strongly include development using Java programming language and other languages in web, mobile and IoT for different business domains and products. Previously, I have worked for Pfizer Egypt, Silicon Expert, Google, Oracle and eFinance. I am working with a number of other technologies including UI and UX, DevOps, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, blockchain, and development of the back-end systems. Also, in addition to my day-to-day work, community-wise, I am a member of Adopt a JSR of Java EE, which is now Jakarta EE, OpenJDK 12, and what's next, JavaFX 2. I am working closely with the team responsible for the development of JDK and Java EE platform. I am a Java Community Process member, was 2014 GCP Executive Committee member, and on the GCP Expert Group member for 3 different GSRs. I am a Java Champion, Oracle Developer Champion, Java Guardians, Egyptian Java User Group Leader, and Oracle Egypt Architect Club Board Member. And also I have won many awards worldwide and international awards, some like Duke Choice Awards 3 times in a row, and many others. I am frequently enjoying speaking at international conferences, so you will find me around from time to time. I have authored JavaFX 8 Essentials book and Getting Started with Clean Code Java SE 9 for Pact Publishing. And you can find me at the following channels, so feel free to connect with me and I'm going to be happy for that. Let's talk about the course. This video series will consist of a complete overview of the completely new Java SE 9 interactive programming using JShell. It's Java 9's Rebel, Read, Evaluate, Print Loop flagship features that enables you to quickly explore, discover, and experiment with Java language and its API features. So, this course will start with an introduction of what are the main goals of interactive programming, why it's important for you, and how JShell will help you in this. Moving to the next sections, introducing more advanced features on how to work with more complex Java types like classes, methods, packages, and modules. Also, how to control your Java shell environment with commands and how to use the JDK internal JShell API to develop an application to execute Java code like Unix shell script. Actually, JShell brought to the Java programming world with the birth of Java SE 9. And every release it gets more enhancement, so therefore I will take the chance to use Java SE 10, which was released last 21st of March. And we will use all its features throughout the course. So, in this course, we are going to take a look at Interactive Java Shell 10 Basics. In this section, we will learn about JShell Basics, core features, and why we need to master JShell 10, and the new var type feature comes with Java SE 10. In the second section, JShell 10, a bigger scale, we will go through more advanced features that make you control your JShell with commands and work with more complex Java types like classes, methods, packages using ClassPass, using automatic complete features, and showing the Java documentation for all the Java types. While the third and final section, JShell 10 Advanced Topics, we will deep dive to explore more advanced features by playing with modules in JShell, using external editors to edit our snippets, get summary of most of the JShell commands, and more exciting, how to use the JDK internal API to develop an application to execute Java code like Unix JShell script. This course is for all developers who want to understand and master how to use the new JShell tool. A working knowledge of Java is necessary, better being familiar with fundamentals of functional and module programming in Java 9. And I encourage you to watch course titled Getting Started with a Clean Code Java SE 9 by Pact Publishing to understand the module system and the new feature of Java SE 9. For hardware and software, you will need an Intel-based machine with either running Microsoft Windows 10 or Apple Mac OS 10 Plus versions. But for sure, for the environment preparation, don't worry, we'll do this together by downloading and installing JDK 10 during the course. So, by the end of this course, you should have a good understanding of the Java SE 10 interactive programming JShell concepts and goals. Understand how JShell provide a fast and friendly environment that enable you to quickly explore, discover, and experiment with the Java language features and its extensive library. See how JShell replaces the tedious cycle of editing, compiling, and executing code again and again with its read, evaluate, print, loop, rebel feature. Learn how JShell and its instant feedback keep your attention, enhance your performance, and speed up the learning of the software development process. Learn how to work with JShell features and commands and how to control the feedback level for more information. Learn how to work with snippets, which could be expressions, individual statement, multi-line statement, and large entities like methods and classes. Find out how to use auto-completion feature, a key discovery feature that speeds the coding process. Master the JShell to use it for rapid prototyping. Then once you develop and test a small chunk of code, you can then paste it into your large project. Explore with examples how to use external packages and their classes, and also adding modules to use its packages into JShell session. And finally, build an application using JDK JShell internal API to execute Java code like Unix shell script. Now that we know what lies ahead for this course, let's jump right into the course to explore all the features.